Hello friends, in today's tutorial I will show you how to crochet this layered flower. You can add this flower to a hat, baby hat. You can make this flower in smaller size and you can add it on shoe or you can add it on frocks also. So let's get started. I am using a 5mm crochet hook for my project, but you can use any type of yarn or a crochet hook. So first of all, make a slip knot, and then we would make chains with the help of crochet hook. So let's get started. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9, chain 10, and I have made total of 32 chains for my project. You can increase or decrease the number of chains. Now skip 3 chains and 3 will be counted as double crochet, and then skip 4 and start working into the 5th chain and make a double crochet into this chain. Make 2 chains and again make a double crochet into the same chain. So this is our first V. This is a V stitch. Now skip one chain from the base chain and into the next one make a double crochet, make 2 chains and then make a double crochet into the same chain. So this is our second V. Skip one chain and into the next one make double crochet, 2 chains and then a double crochet into the same chain. So if you want your flower smaller, then you will make 1 chain into V. Then you will follow the pattern of 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet. So I have completed my first row. For the second one, now this is the last chain remaining. Now in this last chain we would make a double crochet stitch. So now we have 2 double crochet stitches in the last, and now we would start our next row. For the next row, start making double crochet into the chain 2 space, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7. You can make double crochet 7 in the same space, or you can make another double crochet 8 into the same space. This is up to you according to the size of your flower. You can make 7 or 8 double crochets into the chain 2 space. After that, in between the shall make a single crochet in between the V, and now into the next chain 2 space make total of 8 double crochets. This is the 4th one, 5, 6, 7 and then 8 double crochets, and after that we would make a single crochet in between the V stitch, right into the space which is in between the V stitch. This is our second petal. Now for the third one, again make total of 8 double crochets right into the V stitch of chain 2 space of V stitch. So in this way make petals till the last of the row in every V stitch space, and now make a single crochet in between the V. So complete your round by following the process till the end. So I have completed my round. Now in the last right here into the turning chain, which is the chain 3, we would make a single crochet right here. Now we would pull the yarn and we will leave a long yarn tail for sewing purpose, and then cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. And now with the help of yarn needle we would sew our flower. There are two ways to sew this flower. One is from this side and the other one is from the right side, which is like this. So you can weave the flower from any side you want. You can take the back side upward or you can take the right side up. So whatever you like, you can roll the flower from the method. So now weave this starting yarn strand at the back side of your work. So pull it through some stitches with the help of crochet hook, or you can even use a yarn needle for this purpose. After pulling it through few of the stitches, just cut the extra yarn strand with the help of a cutter, and now we would weave these petals. First of all, we would roll our flower like this, and after rolling the flower with the help of this long yarn tail and a yarn needle, we would weave this flower. Now what we would do, we would just pull the yarn needle through some stitches like this as shown in the video, and in this way we would weave our flower. So if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon and then all option also to get the notifications whenever I upload a new video. I upload daily tutorials on crochet work on my channel, so I hope you will love the tutorials on my channel. You can let me know in the comments if you want any specific type of tutorial which is not available on my channel. I upload every type of crochet videos and tutorials, so please do subscribe, and if you like the video, please give it huge thumbs up. And now to secure the work, weave this yarn tail like this I have shown in the video, and after that we would cut the extra yarn strand with the help of a cutter. So now leave this yarn strand and cut it with the cutter. Now the flower is ready. So if you like the video, please give it huge thumbs up. Now you can see this flower is bigger in size because we have total of 8 double crochets in the chain 2 space. The previous one was having 7 double crochets. So thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.